Hi Min, I'm reading an article about business for beginners. That sounds interesting. Are there any cool lessons? Yes, the first lesson is not to fear failure. That's right, everyone falls sometimes. The second lesson is to always listen to your customers. I think this is very important for all companies. The third lesson is to manage finances carefully. Yes, money is the lifeblood of a business. The fourth lesson is to build a good team. Having good companions will help a lot. The fifth lesson is to learn continuously. The world changes fast, we have to keep up. The sixth lesson is to be persistent and not give up. Success doesn't come easy, it needs effort. The seventh lesson is to understand your market well. Know yourself and know your enemy, and you will never be defeated. The eighth lesson is not to be afraid to innovate. Creativity helps businesses grow. The ninth lesson is to build a strong brand. A good brand will attract customers. The final lesson is to take care of yourself. Yes, health is important to work effectively.